back to another episode of Robot Death Battle. We have Cozmo on the left and Bumblebee on the right.
Hey, it's great to see you. What's your name?
Robots ready?
Round 1. Fight!
Oh, Bumblebee's attacking Cozmo. Both robots are going fiercely against each other. Bumblebee going after Cozmo. Cozmo kind of running around there. Not sure what's happening. Oh, looks like Bumblebee's trying to do a kick. And oh, can he get that as well? He needs to start that count. Oh no, he's not going. Oh, looks like he's trying. Oh, he's stuck down there. Wait, he's gonna start that count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ding, 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 ding. And Cozmo's the winner. And Bumblebee is struggling to get back up. So let's get ready for another round. You guys ready for another round?
Round 2. Fight!
Oh! Bumblebee's trying to shoot Cozmo. Cozmo's just below him, underneath his legs. Cozmo's smart, hiding underneath them, and as Bumblebee's kind of stuck there. It's like Bumblebee's making his attack move, trying to get towards Cozmo. Oh, he's attempting to kick Cozmo, and Cozmo dodged that attack. Let's see if he can kick him again. Oh, Cozmo just spun him around. Cozmo stuck behind Bumblebee. Reverses back into him, pushing him to the corner. Cozmo gets out of there. Both the robots are fiercely trying to attack each other here. Oh! Back at it again with another kick. Cozmo's going around. Bumblebee is trying his best to knock him down.
Oh, shucks.
Seems to be having some trouble there. Cozmo has him on the edge. Pushes him slowly. It's Bumblebee trying to come forward towards him. Can he get out of that position? Oh, he kicks him in the face. Oh, Bumblebee's on the edge. Struggling to get back up. We're going to start that count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cozmo is the winner. And with that said, looks like Cozmo is the winner. Good job, Cozmo. Now, if you guys want to see anybody else fight, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Take care now. Bye-bye.